Good morning, everyone. Today, I will go with you through the ending S sound. This is really important for the English-speaking people when they fully understand. And so this is the art of communication. They fully understand and feel comfortable when they speak to you. All right. Let me just see. And here's the lesson plan that we are going to go through today. Uh, I will lead you to the instruct and model portion where I provide the basic of how to pronounce correctly the S ending sound. All right. Uh, the two sounds most popular is S, like a snake breathing, and so the B is flying, and is. So let's move to instruct and model section. Firstly, when do we have the S at the ending sound? It can be for the noun or can be for the, it is the plural nouns, and it can be two verbs in the third person singular case. Also possession, coaches, or to create a contraction. Boys, it is stand for, it's that boys, boys. It stands for boy is or boy has. Yeah. Firstly, when the sound is pronounced as like this, when the final sound of the initial words are unvoiced sounds. For example, let me clarify on this. The unvoiced sound is the sound when you speak it out, there's no vibration at the vocal cord. No vibration. You can put the hand here. See, it is unvoiced sounds, no vibration. Like, for example, book, take, like, sit, meet, write, laugh, jump, cup, on, clothes, bath. Yeah, remember they are all unvoiced sounds. And when an S or ES is pronounced as Z, the initial words have the vowel sounds in contrast to voiceless sound or unvoiced sound. It is avoid sounds. When to put the hand on the neck and the vibration when you make the sounds, like describe, job, build, word, back, dog, call, fail, come, dream. Yes, dream, decline, win, cure, food, flower, leave, love, breath, lad, sing, belong, play, studies, employee, go, or fly, and boy. The exam, that is the sign of the void sounds. Remember, they when we add s in, it will be pronounced as z, z. Let's move next. I can break through one time for you, and you repeat after me. Plays, studies, employees, describes, jobs, bills, words, bags, dogs, leaves, laughs, brats, lads, sings, belongs, cures, furs, flowers, goes, flies, boys, calls, fails, comes, dreams, declines, wins. Lastly, when you pronounce the sound z, when it is an s or z, with the combination of the below's ending sounds in initial words like bus, miss, entrance, price. Remember that the one I noticed here, entrance, it is written as CE, but pronounced as entrance, price, freeze, cost, okay? Written as SE, but can be pronounced as S or Z. And fix, tax, watch, encourage. Yeah, let's continue to read some words with the Z, buses, misses, entrances, prices, watches, encourages, freezes, causes, efficacies, taxes, dishes, catches, and bridges. All right. So we have gone through the three cases S, Z, Z, for the ending sound with the nouns and with the verb. This is a summary for you and a recap for you this session. So the unvoiced consonant sound ending k, k, t, t, and t. Voice consonant sound ending with this letter as syllable z, which sounds ending ch, sh, s, z, g, is. All right, and here are the example again. The session is little fast, but later there will be a number exercise for you to practice. Yeah, thank you very much.